So now we're looking at cones. We have a new formula that finds the area of the shape that's on the top of a cone. Okay, we have the circle on the bottom, so we're using pi r squared for that. But then we also have this new formula, pi rl, which will find the area of that shape that goes around the top of a cone. So the slant height is used, pi rl, the height that's on the slant, like we talked about with pyramids. Okay, we don't ever want to use the height with surface area. Okay, we'll use that when we're talking about volume. So let's try two examples. We're going to leave these answers in terms of pi, so we're not going to have decimal answers. We'll leave pi in our answer. They will be exact answers. So looking at this first one, we always need the radius and the slant height. So on this one, do we have both of those things? No, we don't. Okay, we're missing this slant height right here. Okay, but luckily it's a right triangle, so what are we able to use? We're able to use the Pythagorean Theorem. So we've got 5 squared plus 12 squared equals x squared. We take 25 plus 144, and we get 169. We square root both sides, and we get 13 for the slant height. Now we're able to go through and do our formulas. We have two things we're finding the area of, the bottom and the top. Now the bottom, the one that it's sitting on right now, is a circle. So we're going to use our circle formula, pi r squared. Okay, so we've got our first line of work. We always show the formula first. Next we put our numbers in. They told us the radius is 5, and the last line of work is your answer. Now we're leaving it in terms of pi, so we're going to write this one as 25 pi inches squared. Okay, the top, we just learned this new formula, LA equals pi RL. We usually use a lowercase l, lowercase cursive l. All right, so we've got pi. Second line of work, we always put in our numbers that they've given us. Radius 5, slant height 13. Answer, when you multiply those, is 65 pi. Now we need the surface area. Well, the surface area just consists of adding up all of our surfaces. So we have 25 pi plus 65 pi, which is 90 pi. So that's the surface area of a cone problem. Looking at the next one, do we have everything we need? Yes, we do. We don't have to do any Pythagorean theorem or side work to find any missing information. So we'll go ahead and find the area of the bottom, area of the top, then we can add them together. Same two formulas. The bottom is a circle on this one, and the top we use the new formula we just learned. Okay, we always throw the formulas down first. Now we're going to put the numbers in. Radius is 3 on this one, so we have 9 pi. For the top on this cone, we've got the radius and the slant height. We take 3 times 5, we have 15 pi. Throw our units on here. Now if we take 9 pi plus 15 pi, we have our total surface area. That's as difficult as they're going to get as far as the homework and on the test when it comes to cones.